Grand Rising. Back on another banger. Long time I don't see me no people. Yeah, alright, look what I go on. Just I rise up in the morning and say I want some porridge. Yeah, long time I don't drink some porridge. But you are going. It's a different kind of porridge this morning. Look at this. Plot the porridge. Some coconut in it. I'm going to get two turmeric out of my garden over here, so I'm actually ready because you can see them on feel now. But they're not quite ready. But them bust up out high ground. So I dig up two out of that and drop in that porridge. So I'm going to upsort this coconut, blend up. See the fire still ablaze? Yeah. Fire never out yet, you know, my people. Always blazing. Yeah, man, I'm so hungry. Yeah, so catch me. I upsort this coconut. Yeah, and blend up these stuff. Get ready. So subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Like up the video. Comment and tell me where you're watching from. Okay? Love you guys. You want to try this at home? Sweet! Like a honey. Look at that, my people. Alright, I go through and get this out and grate it. Yeah, and get the porridge on the fire. We got some cornmeal right here. We got some water. So we're going to put the cornmeal and soak it. We got some cornmeal here. We're going to put the water and let it soak. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, my people. Fire burn out still now, but soon deal with that. It's going to soak for a couple seconds until we get this blender and get the milk out of it. Tune in and like up a video, my people, okay? I see if I can find a turmeric blend out with platinum going on the coconut caramel porridge. So we have platinum caramel porridge. Okay, so but I want one turmeric. I'm not quite ready yet still, but I'm going to find a turmeric. Yeah, look at that. So one here should go to the ground right here, so you can see right here, so close. Alright. Oh, I'm soon ready, you know. But me just a stole. Just a stole two out of it. Yep. Alright. Just use my finger, I never have to use the machete, my people. Yeah, soon ready, you know. I'm gonna get weak now. But the beer, I'm telling you, my people, it beer so much. Look, as you can see, look. They must push up out of the ground. But just I don't want much still, because just one pot of porridge, but you don't know. I have to turmeric it up, man. You see? Lots of turmeric coming up. Yeah, by next 2 weeks, all of them are dry down. See turmeric again. I'm telling you, one of them here bears so much. So when I replant again, I'm going to plant go right up there. I'm going to have turmeric and plant go right up there. Come all the way down. This is what we take. We could have get way more in, but we just take this. Cut off a plant now. Yeah. Well, next look at one. I will peel them here and then we'll blend it. Yeah, this is the coconut milk from the dry coconut that I was oxing. Right here, so we got platinum cut up with turmeric inside. Turmeric, a yellow one, it's a turmeric. The green planting. Right there. Add some coconut milk on it. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, we're gonna get that blend up now. Fire actually burn out too. But I set it up. Yeah, we're gonna get this blend up now. You catch me when we blend it up. That is it. This is after it blend up now. Yeah, look at it. I get it in the pot now. Ah, look at that. Look at rich. Got this, my people. So I get it on the fire now. Oh, I have to catch back the fire. Make that go on circle right here, some more people. I'll catch up back the fire. Subscribe to the channel. The fire up again. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I'll get this on the fire now. Add a pinch of salt. One pinch of salt. Get it on it. Look at that. Beautiful. As soon as it start boil up, you're gonna add this mixture in it. See, caramel was soaking. Fully soaked now. Let's check on the pot. Whoa, look at that. Yes, my people. It's ready. Look at it. The plant now bubble on with the turmeric. So you look orange. Alright, time to get the caramel in it now. Give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. Can you smell that? Can you smell the aroma, my people? That fire right. That fire is good enough. Make sure we have to stir it because we don't want it lump up. Stir, stir, stir. Like up the video and subscribe to the channel, okay? Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, my people. Look at that, my people. Looking beautiful. Look at it. Give it about 5 more minutes now. You catch me and eat some, drink some porridge at least. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Yes, my people. Look at that. Rich. Can you smell that, my people? Whoa. Can you smell the aroma? Nice. Yeah. Look at that. Simmering. Let it simmer. Beautiful. Okay, my people. It's about that time now. Let's check in what going on in the pot. Okay. Yeah. That is it. Whoa. Look at that. Yes, my people. Yeah. Time to take it off now, my people. Yeah, man. See what I go on. Yummy. That is it. Rich. Yes, my people. I take it off, you know. Yeah. Alright, one on. Yes, my people, look on that. Fully hot. If this ever turn over upon me, you know, my people, I believe I have to tell you how it go. Look at it. Yeah. So catch me and share out now. Catch me and drink some caramel, platin, turmeric porridge. Coconut milk, fully coconut juice. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Subscribe to the channel. I got some sugar here with some milk powder. We're gonna sweeten and take a look at taste. Let's check it out. Whoa, look at that. Rich. Rich, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Okay. Yeah. Stir it up, stir it up. Look at that. Stir it up, stir it up. Yeah, we have to get it diluted, you know. Get the sweetener diluted. Beautiful. Yes, my people. Stir it up, stir it up. Yeah. Stir it up. Get it stirred up. It's gonna be yummy. Can you smell that? Smell it. Whoa. Smells so beautiful. Alright, catch me and drink some part. Subscribe to the channel. Okay? Okay, my people. Look at it. Whoa. We got a slice of bread for you today. Rich, my people. We got have a seat now on a building block. Let's taste it. What? My people, I want to taste this. Look at it. Look at this bread. Gonna style. Mm, 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 People, it tastes so wholehearted. This is so people, yummy delicious. So I go through and drink down this prize, people. Check out the links in the description. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel.